jackass. You mean like jackass skateboarders? Alright.
Wait, you're taking
Shut up. You dumbass. Someone get up there.
You dumbass. Yeah. We're the filmers of this.
Did that give you an orgasm, sir?
Sir, can you tell me how that felt?
Very bad.
Rescue, you might want to watch out.
Yeah, you might move.
Okay, attempt number 1 going down this Scorpius.
Take 1.
For me, number 2.
He just falls over.
Almost made it. Almost made it though.
Oh, here, I'll give you your board.
Give me your sweatshirt.
Oh, I'm kind of curious.
What?
Can I?
Can you what?
I want to try this. Hold on.
What?
Dude, you might want to like brush your hat off, the back of your hat, Taylor.
Should I try and board slide?
You're stupid.
Do it.
You're stupid.
Should we like sit on it like this? Like do a sit board slide? Be like,
Whee!
nope.
Hey, you should try the smaller side first. Slide first. Come on.
That would be too easy, or you'd go flying down.
I'll do it.
Do a nosedive.
Here, take this. It's already gone.
My shoe is untied.
Ouch! Slide down on him. I mean, slide down on him.
I'm not sliding down on him. Do you want me to die?
You wouldn't die.
You guys are leaving me? I see how you are. Hey, are you sore? Your butt hurt.
What was that? Nathan did not.
I think it's too small. I think it's too small. Oh, fuck. Ow. Dude, I think it's too small. Dude, I hurt my weenus.
Maybe.
Oh, shit. Okay, you ready?
Yeah,
Stand up.
I'm scared.
Stand back.
Go.
It's just like going down a ramp.
He's shaking in fear.
No, I'm trying.
No, it actually makes you shake because half your body is under the side and the other one's
I know, that's what I mean.
Go.
I'm afraid to.
You'll either eat crap on plastic or you'll eat crap on fart. So it's not cement, so it's alright.
Oh god, that's really steep.
No shit!
Yeah, it's really
I probably
steep
shouldn't say
too.
that.
Slide.
Yeah, I know.
Let's.
Are you gonna
There's
put
people in there.
You guys should try that one over there.
Guys, go try that slide.
Go try that one.
Fly out.
You landed right on your ass.
Did it like spank him or something?
No, he just.
It did. It went.
I saw it go up.
It can't, like, I don't know what happened. Like, it went down and then,
Just
like,
watch the video.
it just
See
came
what
back and, like,
Oh,
whacked
I'll
me
watch
in the
it.
ass.
Yeah, I don't think I got it.
Oh, sorry.
I was
Just watch the
watching,
whole damn
but
thing.
then I
Come
was
on,
like,
stupid
no.
moment.
5 minutes long or something.
Ew! God damn you! God!
What? No. Did that give you an orgasm, sir? Oh yeah. Alright, here goes Taylor.
That's being so.
Yeah, you might move.
See, I almost made it to the end and then I just,
Yeah, watch Tessie.